Hello, it's Lynn here with more tips and tricks. So this video is on subtraction of polynomials. Now addition of polynomials isn't really tricky. We just add like terms because there's a plus sign and we don't need to worry about subtraction, which changes signs. Another little trick is when they say subtract something from something else. Well, when we subtract something from something else, that from needs to be first. So I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm also going to emphasize we're always going to put everything in parentheses. So this would be 2x to the third plus 8x squared minus 6x. And we're just subtracting this from this. So we're going to go minus 3x to the third minus x squared plus 1. This negative sign, the subtraction, is kind of tricky. So a lot of times people go, oh, I'm just going to subtract the 3x to the third, but because of the parentheses, that negative sign applies to everything in that parentheses. So what I like to do, since a negative sign just changes everything, the signs, I change this to a plus, and then I may change all the signs inside, and then add. So we have the like terms, 2x to the third minus 3x to the third. Those are like terms. 2 minus 3 is -1, so it's going to be negative x to the third. Then we have the x squared terms. And now right now we're not even having to worry about the subtraction because we did the subtraction by changing signs, and now we just add what's there. So I have 8x squared plus x squared. Remember there's a 1 there, so this would be plus 9x squared, and then the negative 6x minus 1, those aren't like terms. So we just have to write them separately, minus 6x and then minus 1, and that's our final answer. So the main thing you need to remember is change that negative sign or the minus sign to a plus, and then change the signs inside the parentheses. The parentheses are your friend. Change the signs and have a good day. Bye.